this short video, I'm going to talk to you about CSS, what it is, and how it's used. So CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. It's a technology which is used to describe the style of an HTML page. So basically it's used to describe the look and feel of a web page, whereas the HTML really describes the content. So before CSS was invented, both style and content were within the same HTML document. Now that was a problem because each time you wanted to reuse a style, you would have to rewrite it completely, and basically the two mixed together were creating very large documents, and documents which were really difficult to maintain. So CSS was created to separate the style from the content. So now today, when you have an HTML page, it works like in the following example. You have in the beginning of the document a link to the style sheet, and then the tags only describe the content. And then in the CSS document, which we have represented here, you'll have a description of how each element in the page should display. For example, here we have the body, we're saying that the background color should be yellow, or we have the first header, we're saying that the font size should be 36 points, etc., etc. Now, that's very useful because it makes cleaner documents and enables to create style in a very powerful manner. One of the things that's important with CSS is that you can use one style, describe style once, and use it many times within the HTML document. So say, for example, all your titles, you want all your titles to be blue, you would just have, for example, H1 color blue, and then the day you want to change it, say, to green, you only have one one thing to change in the CSS document. Whereas if you were putting the style directly in the HTML document, you would have to change the description in every header. Now, another thing that's powerful with CSS is that, of course, you can use the same CSS document for different HTML documents. So you can have a style description which is used in different pages. Now, here, for example, we have an example of two different pages which actually have the same content. It's the same HTML document, but the CSS is different. So this is just to show you how radically CSS can change the look and feel of a document. So for more information about CSS, stay tuned for other videos.